Have you ever loved someone so deeply that you began to lose pieces of yourself just to keep them happy? This is the story of Ethan and Lara, not just a couple, but a mirror of countless relationships where love is stretched thin under the weight of expectations. From the outside, their life looked perfect, but behind closed doors, something was quietly breaking. Lara stood before the mirror, admiring her reflection in a beautiful dress. It was the eve of a grand party, and she had only one thought in her mind: to shine brighter than anyone else. But beauty, she believed, required more than charm. It required money. How do I get more money for jewelry? She thought. Ethan knows branded stuff is expensive. He already gave me a few thousand, telling me to manage with that. But I have a way. She walked into the room, handed her nearly new clothes to the house help, and smiled. Take these, I'm tired of them. The helper's eyes lit up in gratitude. But to Lara, this was just a cycle: discard old, make space for new. And somewhere in that cycle, Ethan was slowly disappearing. She handed him his favorite dish one evening, smiling as he took the first bite. These kebabs are amazing, he said. They're frozen ones. I just fried them. Ethan paused for a moment, then nodded. They still taste good, but behind that small exchange was a quiet ask. By the way, can you give me some more money tomorrow? He looked up, confused. I already gave you some a few days ago, and the 5,000 for the car installment is with you, right? I did some shopping, she said nonchalantly. That was 5,000, not 50. Why are you reacting like this? His voice softened, but his eyes told the truth. Because I gave you extra for shopping. Where did that go? I bought crockery and bed sheets, she answered. You know, I don't like repeating dishes when guests come over. Ethan took a deep breath. It hasn't even been a year since our wedding, and the cupboards are overflowing. Lara turned away, her voice rising. So what do you want me to do? Serve my friends in the same plates every time? What about the car loan money? I used it to buy a designer dress for the party. All my friends wear expensive clothes. So you want to do whatever they do? He asked. You don't even realize. I don't want to realize anything. She cut him off. It's your duty to fulfill my wishes. If you couldn't, why did you marry me? He left the table silently. His appetite was gone. She stared after him, frustrated. Why are you in a bad mood? It's not like I spent millions. Look at other women. They shop with credit cards. No one questions them. Ethan sat beside her, his voice calm but strained. It's not about questioning. My salary is 6,000 a month. We can live comfortably if we avoid unnecessary expenses. You should have at least asked me. So now I need your permission to shop. He looked away. That money was for the car. You could have told me if you needed more. But I needed it then, she said, crossing her arms. My needs are not up for discussion. He nodded slowly. Okay, I'll give you the money tomorrow. Just don't make your dreams so big that I can't keep up. Later that night, as they shared a pizza in silence, Lara suggested a new party. There's already a club party coming up, she said. I've had my dress made. I forgot, her friend said. What will I wear? Don't worry, Lara smiled. I'll pick one of my classy old dresses. Old dresses, her friend laughed. That's not how parties work. Lara tossed her hair confidently. My husband loves me. He gets me whatever I want. He's even getting me a new car. Her friend gasped, You're so lucky. Luck has nothing to do with it. If he loves me, he spends on me. And that was Lara's truth. Love wasn't a feeling. It was a transaction. Later that week, her friend called Ethan. Anna told me you're getting a new LED. Where is it? We paid the advance, Ethan lied. It'll arrive tomorrow. But that night, when he got home, he saw it, the brand new TV. Where did it come from? He asked. I bought it, Lara replied, unfazed. How? I sold the gold bracelet and chain you gave me at our wedding. He froze. You sold what? I told my friend we were getting it. She mocked me. I couldn't let her win. You sold the first gift I gave you for a TV. It's not a big deal, she said. You can't fulfill my wishes. That's the truth. And that night, something inside Ethan broke. He tried to explain. Lara, we come from similar families. Why are you pretending to be someone else? But she wasn't listening. She was planning the next party, the next dress, the next moment of glory. He tried to talk to his friend. I can't keep up. I want peace at home, not pressure. You need to talk to her with love, his friend said, before life teaches her the hard way. But love wasn't the problem. Ethan had been loving. He had been giving. It was never enough. Their first anniversary came. Lara wanted a grand party. We can't afford it, Ethan said gently. She scoffed. Humans celebrate simply, not me. He begged, let's celebrate just the two of us. But that wasn't enough for her. He took a loan to fulfill her demand. You're planning a loan? His friend asked in shock. You already have debt. I don't know what else to do. If I don't, she'll be upset. If I do, I sink deeper. His friend offered him help. I'll lend you 10,000, but find a solution. The party arrived. The guests poured in. Lara sparkled in a $22,000 dress. You did your part, she told Ethan. Now go get ready. He looked at her for a long moment. Lara, are you happy now? She smiled. Yes, very. He handed her a paper. Then, here's your final gift. She opened it. Divorce papers, she laughed. Very funny. Is this a new house? No, he said quietly. It's freedom. Tears welled up in her eyes. Adam, my name is Ethan, and I've been lost for a long time, but not anymore. And as he walked away, Lara sat amidst the glitter and noise, surrounded by applause and envy, yet completely alone. Because love, no matter how deep, cannot survive where it's only taken for granted. Sometimes, the bravest act of love is letting go.